Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on three dots here in the corner, tap on the gear icon to access settings, and here you can enable watermark. So like you can add device model, location, date and time. You can actually change font size. You can set small or large. You can change its position. So yeah, so let's try it out. Let's take some photo. And as you can see here, I have my watermark. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.